I found a hot spot. You're detecting your shovel. Watch her work this. She knows what she's doing. Put the shovel away. Did you find another? Let me check this spot again. Is that hot? Move that shovel. Yeah, there's a hot spot right there, Michelle. Right there. You got it. Which one is it? She's good. Watch her go. She knows what she's doing. You're close. Which one is it? Did you move it? No, it's in there. I'll come back when she finds it, but look at how she moves. She knows what she's doing. That is a nice one. That's a good one. Let's get this other one over here. Here, put that, here, give me that. I'll hold that for you. Nice, that's a nice chunk. Well, she's got, double check that hole there. Where'd it go? The hot spot's gone. What happened? You got the shovel, you can't. You got it? Or are you hitting the shovel? You're hitting the shovel. Check that hole again. Check your hole. I think it's in the hole. There it is. It's in there. She looks like a pro that's been doing this for years. It's in there. What's that one right there? Is that? That would be awesome if that's the one. Watch your shovel. No? No, check the hole. It's in there. Did you just find another one? Huh? Well, let's get this first hole and we'll come back to that. I'll mark it. From that little hole, I came over to help with my wand, and we both found one in the same hole. That's amazing.
Let's find another. I just found another.